Alright. I just thought I'd do a little mock-up here before I started painting anything else. The only thing I have painted is the motor, of course. I definitely went with a post-apocalypse style theme. Trying to make some of my areas a little bit rougher than the others. So if that looks like it's going to be all dented up and rusty when I get done. The rear tires are from a Hot Wheels Bigfoot kit that I've modified. The rear end is the factory Ford rear end. Hopefully it can withstand that horsepower. I've added a spare gas tank to the back. Now there is one item I do need to find, and that is a moon tank that I wanted to put up front up here. I have lengthened the frame so I could fit this behemoth of a motor in. The extra transmission and jerry can will be loaded into the back. And let's go there now. I added this rear shelf carrier to hold a spare gas tank. The braces that you see mounted in the inside and the back of the vehicle honestly went in to straighten out the body. This side's a little bit different than the other. Now you may be looking at some of my areas and saying, wow, that's some sloppy glue. But I did that on purpose. There's a reason. It'll look like rust when I get done. At least hopefully. I drilled out the door handles. I also drilled out the windshield wipers, because they have been removed. Don't get much rain in the wasteland. You can see the inside. I've added some diamond plate to the flooring, probably to fix rust holes. Now, I did use the modern dash and the old steering wheel, and the reason I did that is because you really won't see these on the inside. So I'd kind of like to keep those other ones for my spare box. I added an electric fan to try to keep this beast cool. I have added a torsion bar type front suspension to it. Now I may add some pieces in here to box that in. I covered up molded in the exhaust with some diamond plate. Now the scratches that you see are me eliminating some of the street rod details and so forth, and trying to make it look rough before paint. And I'm back after a little bit of paint work. The body is not done, but that's a little preview of it. The interior is pretty close to being done. As you can see, I just kind of did the basics. You really won't see inside of this vehicle except for the back. So, had to spice it up a little bit. Added some hot sauce to the back. A transmission that he picked up somewhere along the way. And the old party pooper.